Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the my 2 years old mobile Mi Max 3 versus the Realme 5S device. The Mi Max 3 has a Snapdragon processor of 636 processor, as you can see here clearly. So whereas the recently launched the Realme 5S as the Snapdragon 665 processor. So in this video, I'll be comparing the Antutu benchmark and the Geek benchmark test between the both the phones, Mi Max 3 and the Realme 5S device. So very soon, friends, I'll be doing my review on the Mi Max 3 after using for so long time. This is the only mobile which I am using for very long time, Mi Max 3. Definitely, I'll be doing it that video. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel SciTech Guru. And right now, let me open the Antutu benchmark in both the phones and let's check the score comparison side by side, and we can get a clear idea which Snapdragon processor is the best. So as you can see, friends, right now the score in both the phones, Realme 5S has a score around 1,71,000 and the Mi Max 3 has a 1,40,000. You can see here clearly. So the Snapdragon processor in the Realme 5S is slightly powerful than the Mi Max 3 processor. So in the Antutu benchmark test, we got the result, and let's check the Geek benchmark 5 application. So which I did a test run in the both the devices. So let me check the score right now. So as you can see, friends, in the single core, how much it scored, 312 in the Realme 5S device and 275 in the Mi Max 3 device, as you can see here, in terms of the multi-core. So these are overall just the side-by-side comparison between the Snapdragon processor 636 versus the Snapdragon processor Realme 5S device 665. So I've been using this Mi Max 3 for a couple of years, guys, which is very good. And the most disappointed phone that Mi did not launch in India is the Mi Max 3. So a lot of viewers are waiting for this mobile to launch in India, but Mi did not launch this phone in India. So right now you can see I've used plenty of application in my device and I did not face any much lag in the Mi Max 3 device. So definitely I'll be doing a separate video on that. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel, friends. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphones, you can comment below. So see you in the next video, guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.